You own a $775,000 home and pay $2,000 a month for it. Today we're going to visit a villa inside of Palmetto Dunes. We're also going to investigate whether this has income potential. Most second homes here are also income producing homes. If you watched the video for this long, I really appreciate it. do me a favor, please subscribe. If you want, hit that bell so you know when more videos are coming out. But the subscription part is really helpful in getting my videos out there, allowing people to see and learn about the island itself, whether they want to be here as retirees or they want a second home or they want a rental property, whatever it is, we want to make sure we get the word out to them. So the more people that subscribe, the more popular the channel is, the more people get to understand what's going on here on the island. So obviously that's a really nice home. It will remain to be seen if those upgrades will help them in being able to sell this home for top dollar. Typically, when you put that much money and that much time into a home, you want a return on that investment. All right, now let's go through the math. Let's figure out if this thing makes sense or not. We have two rental projections from two different companies, and both have come up with roughly $35,000 to $40,000 of rental income. Your property management company, who's going to manage the property, get you tenants, do all the work to make sure that this machine is running correctly, they're going to charge you 20%. That 20% comes down to somewhere around $8,000. Once we take the management fee out, you're looking at anywhere between like $30,000 and $35,000 of net rental income. Now let's run through expenses. At a sales price of $775,000, if we're going to purchase this home as a second home or as an investment property, we're going to put more than 20% down. Assuming that we're putting 25% down, you're starting with $200,000 of a down payment. We break down the numbers. We are looking at a monthly payment of $3,785. Taxes of roughly $6,000. HOA fee of $1,800 a year, $4,000 for insurance on the property. You're looking at around $12,000 or so of expenses. So what we're looking at as far as numbers go, you're looking at about $30,000 to $35,000 of net rental income. You're looking at around $12,000 or so of expenses. So let's estimate and say that we make $20,000 on this property. So let's boil that down into, all right, well, what's our net monthly when we take into consideration our monthly payment from our mortgage versus what we're now bringing in? When we look at our monthly mortgage payment of $3,750, multiply that by 12, we're looking at about $45,000 a year to own and live in this home. If you take out the $20,000 that you're getting in rental income, we're looking at about $25,000 in net repayments. Divide that by 12, you're looking at about $2,100 a month. I know that was a lot of numbers and a lot of math. I hope it makes sense. If there are any questions, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is in the description. I hope you see how we are not only buying our second home, but we're also able to offset the cost of that home by using it as a rental property.